first of all, open your Facebook account and tap on this menu icon on the top right corner or this profile link. From here, find the page section on your screen. If you don't see this page section, you can tap on this see more section and you will find this page section. Go to this page section and you will see the list of pages that you manage. So select the page that you want to get the Facebook page link of. So in my case, let's say I want to get the Facebook page link of this foreign vacancy pages. Tap on this. From here, tap on the screen and tap on this 3 dot on the middle of the screen. This one. From here is your foreign vacancy page link. So this is your Facebook page link. Copy this and open the any browser that you have and paste it. So you can see this link is okay. So this is how you can find or where you can find Facebook page link. I hope you like this video. If you like, make sure give a like,